informant who was secretly taping the meeting. So let's debate it with our fantastic Lion's Den debate panel. Come on. Adam Thompson, criminal defense attorney. She's facing a potential 60 years in prison at 33. That's a life sentence. No money exchanged hands. What do you think?
Listen, you know, usually the kiss of death is when you have things on a tape-recorded conversation that involves law enforcement or cooperators. So right off the bat, the person she tried to rope in as the hitman working with the police is almost like the death blow. But I will say this after listening to the alleged victim you just had on. The fact that she's saying, don't take me seriously, I was kidding. The fact that he himself even said to the police, am I being punked? And this has been going on for 6 years. We're together, we break up, we're together, we break up. She threatens me, we're back together. That this is an ongoing thing. That gives a lot of credence that this is a big talker, and maybe you don't listen and take seriously what she says.
Natalie
I don't
Jackson.
know if I believe that, Jane.
I think this is a classic domestic violence situation. And this is something that the people who are viewing this, they really need to take this seriously. When you have someone and you have erratic behavior, when it's over, it has to be over. You cannot keep letting them come back into your life. You should get a restraining order, and it should be done. This is a case where I believe her defense will be that he is the person that is provoking her.
Oh, I love you, Natalie, but come on, Joe Gomez, help me out here.
Oh, no, I'm not defending her, Jane.
If the police are right on this, and she did what they said she did, she was out for one thing and one thing only, Jane, and that was blood. This guy could have been murdered, years ago. It sounds like this woman's volatile behavior. She wanted to cut off his tongue. I've covered hundreds of stories like this where this ends in one way, and that's with somebody in the grave. The fact that this murder for hire guy suddenly turned to the cops and they busted her at last, it doesn't happen that way. It doesn't end that way. Somebody's asleep, and the next thing you know, they're
quickly,
dead. This guy
Lisa
is very
Lockwood,
lucky.
famed investigator.
It sure is great to have John among the living, because I'm going to tell you right now, murder for hire plots end up being executed. So I'm thankful for that. And also the informant, having that informant go through who is originally trusted and say, you know what, I'm going to make sure that this guy doesn't get killed. That guy is an incredible hero. So I believe his credibility is there. Otherwise, the police would not be working with him.
Tracy, Virginia, what do you got to say, Tracy?
Well, I agree that I think this lady is mental, period, and I think that she needs to be locked up for more than 60 years. I can't believe she would be willing to harm someone as bad as she wanted to.
Yeah, she
really sad.
She has children, too. John Shelfeffer, our exclusive guest, the intended victim of this alleged plot. Do you want to see her go away for 60 years? Do you think that she could even be a danger to her own kids?
Well, I want to first address the situation today, or on the eve of her arrest, as being very different from the prior 6 years of on again, off again. As a person trained in domestic abuse, a prior prosecutor, elected district attorney of 5 years, and defense attorney of my own right for the last 15 years, I'm no stranger to the wheel of violence and domestic abuse, and I can tell you I've prosecuted it, I've defended it, and now I have lived it. And as having lived it, I saw the frequency of the abuse toward me increase in number. I saw it increase in terms of duration. I saw it increase in terms of the number of times in a given week there would be verbal abuse, physical abuse.
John, why did you stay? And this is what they ask women all the time, but women are not the only victims of domestic abuse. Why did you stick it out?
Well, we had what I perceived to be a very rare psychological, intellectual, and emotional and physical connection. And I stayed in the relationship because in today's society, family definition has gone from the traditional husband and wife married to long-term relations between man and a woman, whether there's a wedding ring on the finger or not. And
she's also pretty. She's also pretty. Does that factor in?
And I'd like to think that I'm no slouch when it comes to the looks.
You're a very handsome guy. Of course you are. But certain women have seductive powers that men can find impossible to resist, no matter what their intelligence, and you're obviously a highly intelligent, highly successful man, you know, there's no accounting. The heart wants what it wants, as they say. And so we're certainly not judging you, sir. You're the victim here, and we appreciate you speaking out. We're going to have more on the other side. Wow. John Shelfeffer's accused.